This is a 2017 Gore 2-horse straight load bumper pull with a side ramp. The trailer is 7'6" tall, 6'6" wide, and 17 feet on the floor. It's a 5-foot dressing room and a 12-foot horse area. If you're not familiar with the Gore trailer, they are a steel chassis, aluminum frame, aluminum skin, treated wooden floor with rubber mats, and a fiberglass roof. The walls of the horse area are insulated. Actually, the walls in the dressing room up until you get to the nose are also insulated. I'll show you that in here. Nice diamond plated running boards. These are a good width running board. I'm only a ladies 8, but I have plenty of room there, and that's really nice when you're trying to get in or out and it's slick and you think about slipping off that running board. The stripes here are a gold and red. The trailer does have some black streaks, typical of your aluminum trailers. We have given the trailer a preliminary wash. Those streaks will take a little bit more work to get off, and that is just pretty typical of aluminum trailers. That dirt that comes down the sides, it has had a preliminary wash. Some of that may come off, but it is not in the plan to give it a buff. This is the dressing room door, has a screen door attached to that. It's a 5-foot dressing room in this Gore trailer. That's pretty standard of the Gore trailers. We have a boot box. It looks like it's about 18 inches deep in here. Oh, I just dropped a piece of trash in there. Boot box, little brush tray, a step, and a handle into the nose that helps you get in that nose. We have got some bridle hooks that go all the way around this dressing room, really. Tons and tons of bridle hooks, also some additional bridle hooks inside of the horse area I'll show you. Crank out camper vent, nice nose space with some added fans. Also some D-rings up there for attaching things to keep them up in the nose. As you can see, the wall here is lined and insulated. Then as we get up into the peak itself, that wall is not lined and insulated. 2 saddle racks, and a blanket bar. And there is a clothing bar up there in the nose also. This trailer also has a walk-through door from the horse area to the dressing room. So that's nice if you want to just be able to step right through this door and get into your horse area. 2-horse straight load. A few marks where the horses rub with the tie loops, but nothing major. Floor is in good shape. Rubber on the walls is in good shape. This trailer also has a head divider. It's a bar style head divider. Can be removed if you don't want to use it. Again, we have bridle hooks all around the horse area and a little sign. 2 pop-up roof vents. I'm not sure what this hook is for. Could easily be cut off of there if you don't want it, or unbolt that whole strip. I don't believe that it would be a problem for a horse. Padded walls, padded divider. Divider is removable. I'm going to show you a couple of blemishes on the outside of the trailer that I think are important. Here's one on this fender. Just looks like a scrape, got a little close to something. Otherwise, this side's in pretty good shape. It shows a few tree rubs here and there. Again, some black streaks. Nice lightweight side ramp. You can see there's just a few stains here, a few minor nicks. Nothing major. The trailer's been used, but not abused. It will get 4 new tires. That hasn't been done yet, but it is getting 4 matching tires here. And the best tire that we have will go as a spare. It'll be a 2021 tire. Nice rear ramp, LED running lights. We have a load light, an interior light in the horse area and in the dressing room. Again, just some very minor staining on the skin, perfectly normal for a 2017 trailer, that lives outside, nothing major. Here is a pretty good blemish on the street side fender. Decent dent there and a little tear in the fender. So I want to make sure I point that out to you. Again, this is a 2017 Gore, 2-horse straight load gooseneck with a side ramp and a dressing room. It does have a logo on each side of the trailer that you may like to remove. It will sell on the trailer. Trailer's available at Trailer Country LLC in Carrollton, Virginia. And it does have a water tank with a pump and a battery, and the spare tire is mounted on the front. 2017 Gore 2-horse straight load gooseneck at Trailer Country LLC in Carrollton, Virginia. Let me show you the logo on this side also. Oops, that's up my way. There is that logo on this side.